We now know the name of the man who died in a motorcycle crash last weekend.
It happened after a police officer tried to pull the man over for a traffic violation. As Target 7's Nancy Laughlin reports, nearly a week after the crash, cops aren't saying much.
He was a father of 4, a Santa Fe native, a man described as free-spirited. Last Saturday, 52-year-old John Gouroulet died in a motorcycle crash in Albuquerque. That information didn't come from law enforcement, but from an attorney for the Gouroulet family.
There's a lot of questions about the accident, and we have a lot of real small pieces of what happened.
And we do too, but law enforcement isn't releasing any more information. Hours after the crash, Albuquerque police said Gouroulet was driving erratically on Montgomery and San Mateo when an officer tried to pull him over. Police said Gouroulet gave the officer the bird, then sped off through a neighborhood, running a stop sign and crashing into a car. He died at the hospital. Witnesses at the scene have differing versions of the crash. One said police were chasing the motorcycle. Another said the police arrived several minutes after the crash. APD maintains the officer was not chasing Gouroulet when the crash happened.
I don't know what interaction he had with the police officers, but if he's flipping them off, he was angry about something. We don't know what happened. And that's the hard part, is we don't know a lot of facts.
That's why the Gouroulet family hired attorney Jerry Archuleta to get answers. Archuleta is a former Santa Fe police officer and Bernalillo County prosecutor. He says in most cases, police are not supposed to chase motorcycles.
If that's all the officers had on him, was that he had flipped them off, why were they chasing him? It's not even an infraction, it's not a crime.
Archuleta says prior to the crash, Gouroulet had been riding down Montgomery with his uncle, who was on another motorcycle. The uncle stopped and told police who Gouroulet was. He didn't know his nephew died until another family member told him the next day.
APD has turned the case over to the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Department to see if standard operating procedures were followed. Today, neither agency is commenting. The Sheriff's Department says it won't until the investigation is over. For Target 7, I'm Nancy Laughlin. Back to you.
According to court records, Gouroulet had a criminal record dating back to 1996. It includes burglary, aggravated DWI, and battery on a household member.